Network security is very important for ZEISS. Cisco Cyber Vision is helping us proactively mitigate these vulnerabilities. ZEISS is one of the leaders in the optical industry. We have multiple business units: semiconductor, healthcare, industrial quality. In the past, everything was isolated, so the data was remaining in the OT environment. But now there is a need for interconnection, moving the data to the cloud, and this, of course, imposes security dangers. We made the decision to proceed with the Cisco solution for the OT security, and that's why we decided to implement Cyber Vision. The integrity of our production infrastructure is critical. Cisco Cyber Vision provides the visibility required to understand OT assets, communication flows, and potential security risks. Combined with our segmentation strategy, it helps us strengthen cyber resilience across manufacturing environments while enabling our teams to focus on production and innovation. Cyber Vision reduced the manual workload of our colleagues in the production. Before the implementation of this tool, they needed to check individually the respective vendor vulnerabilities, and this is something that they don't do that today.